Next on Mega Machines, we're catching up with a machine that loves to sling mud. Concrete, that is. This is the Oshkosh S-Series concrete mixer. The Oshkosh S-Series concrete mixer is a concrete carrying colossus that stretches a rock-solid 36 feet 3 inches long, an imposing 13 feet 2 inches tall, and thanks to a massive 350 horsepower engine, can cruise at speeds up to 65 miles per hour. All while carrying a crushing 44,000 pounds, or 22 tons of concrete on its shoulders. But what sets the S-Series apart from all other concrete trucks is that this machine appears to have it all, well, backwards.
Occasionally you hear comments about this truck is a backwards truck. Why is the drum facing forward? Concrete carrier's purpose is basically to deliver the product, ready mixed, to the job site. There's two basic delivery systems. There's the rear discharge mixer, where the drum is facing to the rear of the truck. And then there's the front discharge system, where the drum, as you might suspect, is facing forward.
In fact, the S-Series is the best-selling front discharge concrete mixer in the world.
What we really did with, if you take a standard over-the-road chassis, truck chassis, we moved the engine to the back of the chassis. We shrunk the cab to a one-man cab so we could get the drum positioned over the cab facing forward. This is the discharge chute of the S-Series. From here, this is where the concrete is placed. In a conventional system, a driver may have to back the truck in with a flag man, may need a chute man to move the chute around to place the concrete. Not with the S-Series. The driver controls all that functionality from the cab. He positions it on the job site and moves the chute, eliminating several people from the work at hand. The drum on the S-Series mixer is massive. It's made of 3/16 steel, and it has a volume of 11 cubic yards of concrete. 11 cubic yards is the same as 26,000 12-ounce cans of your favorite beverage.
The operator of this S-Series is Mark Schwalbach.
I get a lot of guys that actually will come up and say it's a tough, cool-looking truck because the way it's designed. A lot of guys think it looks like a big toy. Yeah, in the S-Series, it's just like a video game. You just got a joystick, move it right, chutes go right, and same thing, move it to the left, up and down, and then you got a drum switch for discharge, and you got a one button for to stop the drum. So it's an excellent setup. Impressive, you know, you got a full load of concrete on 10 yards and, you know, you're cutting a good 2-foot rut. It just keeps going.
What impresses me most about this truck is the amount of work that they actually do. They make their living day in, day out with 40,000 pounds on their back each trip and going through some of the most treacherous terrain at these job sites, and they survive.